Are you stuck with a KYC status that says incomplete even though you're already verified? In this video, I'll show you how to sync your KYC status using the Pi network feature inside the Pi browser. Let's fix the checklist and get you one step closer to Mainnet migration. First is open your PiApp and then go to the Pi browser. Next thing you need to do here is click the KYC application, and then here just wait for it to finish loading. So if you are a validator, this page will be shown too. So just click on check my KYC application status. And then as you can see here, I've already passed my KYC, and here is the new update. You can see that there's the synchronize status on mining app. So we just need to click that one and it will start syncing. So as you can see, it is showing status sent. So now if you're going to go back to your Pi mining app and check the Mainnet checklist, so let's do this one. So check on Mainnet, click on the checklist. So actually I don't have an issue with my account, so just in case you're having this issue, so just do this process. And that's it. If this helps you fix your KYC status, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Pi network updates and tutorials.